You know that one spot in your home that just drives you crazy? For me, it's this thermostat. Practical, sure, but it's not exactly a design statement. So today we're gonna give it a little glow up. I found this beautiful original still life painting at my local thrift store, and it's perfect for this project. It has charm, character, and best of all, it fits my style. My plan for today is to create a cover for the thermostat using this painting, but I also want to keep the sides open because you want airflow to get in, because that's how the thermostat measures the temperature of the house. So my plan is to kind of create a cover that just kind of sits on the top and bottom, so it will act as support, and the picture will just kind of hang right in front of the thermostat. I found this scrap piece of wood in my garage, which was the perfect depth for the picture. I just had to cut it in half to get 2 pieces. With the pieces cut, it's time to bring them together on the frame. I used wood glue and finishing nails to secure them in place. Hammering in the nails was a bit tricky due to the awkward angles, but I managed. The glue is all dry, so now I'm just gonna paint this wood to match the walls. So I let the paint dry for a day, and then to keep this renter friendly and allow easy access to the thermostat, I'm attaching the painting to the wall using command strips. So I just stuck them to the blocks, and then I'm going to adhere it to the wall and press firmly. And there we go, my thermostat is now perfectly hidden and still functional. It's such a simple upgrade and it really enhances this space. If you like this video and want to see more DIYs and thrift flips, please subscribe, give me a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.